Thank you for watching this video. Today we will be doing technical analysis on the S&P 500 for the week ending Friday, August 19th, 2022. And for this analysis, we will be using stockcharts.com. That is the charting service that I use and pay for, and I will leave a link to their site in the description box below this video. My name is Rodney Constable. I have over 30 years of investing experience, including over 25 years of experience trading stocks and options. I am a former financial advisor, a former vice president of a major mutual fund company, and I am the developer and president of Simple Market Signals at simplemarketsignals.com. The chart that we will be working off of today is a weekly candlestick chart of the S&P 500 that goes back to the beginning of 2022. So we're going to just focus on calendar year 2022 for this week. I have a few annotations to get us started, and then we're going to mark up this chart, do a deep dive, and see what we can discover together. So to start off with, I drew a horizontal blue line here at 4,300, and the green line is the 40-week moving average. And then the verbiage here, as we can see here, shows us what the S&P 500 did this week. You can see more detail over here on the right, but this type is pretty small, so I've enlarged it and put it over here to get us started. So the S&P 500 was down 1.21% this week, and we closed at 4228.48. This week's negative return comes off of a 4-week rally in the S&P 500. Now, I've done quite a bit of research on, when the market rallies at least 4+ weeks in a row, and I've added a lot of that to this week's newsletter. So if you are a Simple Market Signals subscriber, that information will be in the newsletter, so make sure you look at that chart and the accompanying verbiage. Guys, if you're not a Simple Market Signal subscriber, I don't know what you're thinking. I mean, you're leaving money on the table, guys. So think about that. I'll tee up more information at the tail end of the video, but I'm telling you, I cram a lot of information in that newsletter. If you want to take your trading and investing to the next level, if you want something that is real and really helps you and includes my proprietary research, you need to subscribe. And guys, it's super cost effective, and it's an investment. It's not an expense. The difference between an investment and an expense is an investment helps you make money. An expense, well, it speaks for itself, right? It's an expense. But an investment is something where you put money in, and over time, your expectations are that you'll get more out than you put in. And that's why, for most everybody that subscribes to Simple Market Signals, it's a clear no-brainer investment, okay? And it'll help you do so much better in the stock market. But I'll tee up more information on that at the tail end of the video. So this week's trading, guys, was kind of ugly, right? We penetrated up through the 4,300 level on the S&P 500, which, by the way, we'd kind of touched it back here at the latter part of April, 1st of May, but we have not had a close above 4,300 on the S&P 500 since the second week in April right here, all right? And whenever you get up to the 40-week moving average and you fail, that is not a good thing as well. And let's pull up some arrows here and kind of mark up some of these weeks where the S&P 500 traded, and let's go when we were down below the S&P, the 40-week moving average, and then traded up to it but couldn't hold it. So we had one there, we had one there, we came up through it here and then failed here. So let's go ahead and mark that one. We have this one here, and then of course this one here. All right. So what we've done here is we've just marked those weeks, just this calendar year, where the S&P 500 is traded up to but couldn't hold its 40-week moving average. Now, this includes a couple of times where we had a 2-week rally here, we had a 3-week rally here that fails, but all of this is part of the research, right? In thinking about and looking at what happens when you rally for a couple weeks and fail, rally for a couple weeks and fail, rally for 4 weeks and fail. Guys, generally, you sell off even further, as we see, all right? So the fact that we got up to but couldn't hold the 40-week moving average at all was not a good thing. And the fact that we, based on the shape of this candle, you can see that we closed towards the lows of the week. As a matter of fact, you can see the high 43.25.28 where I'm circling right here. The low 42.18.70, and we closed at 42.28.48. So we closed really close to the lows of the week after trading as high intraday on Tuesday the 16th. I'm not going to get too granular, but a lot of this is in the newsletter this week. But 43.25.28 right here, all right? And then we sold off and closed towards the tail end of the week. So, guys, this is just not good, all right? And after 4 weeks of going up in what really appears to be a counter trend rally, kind of looks like the market is rolling over here and ready to take another leg down. Now, nobody knows for sure, right, what this might look like, but the setup is not good, all right? And if you want more information, I took a deep dive on a lot of this stuff. It's in this week's newsletter, guys. Just try it, okay? Invest a few more minutes in yourself and watch the balance of this video, okay? Because what I have to offer really, really helps people that are serious about taking their investing and trading to the next level. Do you manage any of your own money, including in your 401k or IRA? Are time and money important to you? If time and money are important to you, then simple market signals should be important to you as well. Simple market signals is for business owners, busy corporate executives, and other professionals who want to cut through the stock market BS and get down to the facts. If you value your time, if you value your money, you need simple market signals. Simple Market Signals is based on a proprietary formula developed by a former financial services professional with decades of real-world experience. Simple Market Signals is equity investing information simplified. Simple Market Signals saves you time and helps you understand market trends and risk management in a way few enjoy. Just try it. There's no contracts, you can cancel anytime, and a subscription to this information is less than 67 cents per day, and it's priced way less than it should be for the value it brings. To learn more, go to simplemarketsignals.com and watch this video that's on our homepage. So again, go to simplemarketsignals.com and watch this video that's on our homepage. Again, that website is simplemarketsignals.com.